I let him go, he flies to my shoulder or either the fan. I don't know why, but I think it's his instinct. He's pretty much right now healthy and he's able to eat on his own. He sometimes, last time he got hurt on his leg and all. Now I have left him alone for a few days so that he can be how he's supposed to be, like a normal bird with its friends and family. So he's now many months old. He's literally trying to get out of my hands all the time. Right now he's very nervous because whenever I bring him next to this room, he has an instinct to fly around so that he can try and escape and try and go to his family on his own, but I have to catch him and put him in the cage, and that's it. Right now, the second pet I've had, he is literally the best. He used to nibble on my fingers, now he starts to bite. It is like foxtail grains and Tenawa Naku, also known as the squid's tongue. Budgies totally live for 3 to 5 years maximum. They are the smallest of the parrot family also. To identify the difference between if my budgie is a girl or a boy, you have to look at the tinge on its beak, the nose part. If it's white, that means it's a girl, but if it's a bluish tinge, it's a boy. Birds like the budgies also have almost 360 vision because their eyes are placed on the sides of their head. So if you keep something straight in front of them, they might not be able to see it. But if you keep something behind it and it turns around, the eye is positioned in that place so it can see.